don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this tiny shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching at night. The water rises. Don't know if I can find my way out. In this tiny shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe. Fall into the ocean. Reaching out, I'm reaching the end. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching the end. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching. slanted, my reflection's still there. The marquees, they all read now, appearing nowhere, appearing nowhere, now appearing nowhere.
Hold me tighter, this dynamic says it all. You're the curator and I'm your animal. Feel like I'm sinking underwater. Feel like I'm going over the falls. My mind spins faster and faster. My heart is bursting through the wall. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of things we miss. Elysian fields could be right under our noses, and rapture at our fingertips. These confessions of dejection and despair, when some great rapture is lingering in the air, I feel like jumping in your blanket. I feel like climbing